Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, Assalamu alaikum. 9th class mathematics, unit number 4, exercise number 4.3. Students, as you know, we have done exercise number 4.2 in last 3 lectures, or today it's our 5th lecture now. In exercise number 4.2, we have solved all questions and these all are cleared. You will solve all examples by yourself, students, with the same method as you have done all questions. Okay, you will solve all examples on your registers. Now come to the exercise number 4.3. Question number 1. Express each of the following surd in the simplest form. Surds are given. Surd mean square root or roots. Root में values those are given. So that is called surd. Few surds are given and we have to simplify it. That is, first is square root 180. Students, here no any radical is given, means no any power is given. So the power which is written here, that is called radical, and the inside value is called radicand. Okay, no any value is here, no any power is here. So what is the power of square root? That is 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2. So if no any power is given, we will consider that its power is 1 by 2. And if we will remove this sign, we can put 1 by 2 instead of square root, this sign. Okay, so we have to simplify it. We will simplify it by factorization. Okay, by factorization prime by prime factorization. That is 180. We will solve. We'll start from very small prime number, that is 2 9 times 0 2 4 times and 5. Okay, now 2 is not divisible by 45. So what 45 is not divisible by 2, that's why we will move further. Then we can take any other prime number, then that is 3 1 times and 3 5 times, 3 5 times and 3. Sorry, now 5 is not divisible by 3, so we will move towards 5 1 times. It's simplified. Okay, now we can write, instead of 180 we can simplify it. That is 2. How many 2 are there? 2 times 2, 2 times 3 and 1 time 5. Means one pair of 2, one pair of 3 and 1 5 is single. We can write its power as well. The 2 power 2, 3 raised power 2 and 5 raised power 1. No need to write, it's understood as 5 is just only 1. So if we want to change these values in simplest form, so what to do? We have to remove this sign and its power is 1 by 2. If you want to remove this sign, then its power is 1 by 2. We have to write 1 by 2 instead of this sign. 2 power 2 as it is, 3 power 2 as it is, and 5. Then its power will be 1 by 2 because it's square root value. Okay, so what to do here? These all are multiplied. These are existing powers. These powers, all values will be multiplied. All powers will be multiplied with the given this power. 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, 3 raised power 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, and 5 already 1 multiplied by 1 by 2. So these are cut to each other, as these are multiplicative inverse to each other, so both will be cut. Multiplicative inverse to each other, both will be cut. So what is left here? That will be 2 power 1 means 2, 3 power 1 means 3, and 5 remains 1 by 2. 3 2 times, that will be 6. And if we want to change in the square root form, then we will change this power with this sign. Okay, so its final answer 6 square root 5. Its simplest form of square root 180. We can do nothing on this question to simplify it more. Okay students, question number 1 part 4. 96 x power 6 y power 7 and z power 8. Its power square root power is 5, root power is 5, so we will simplify it. 96 x power 6 y power 7 and z power 8 as the same method which we have used in part 1. First of all, we will simplify 96. So we will simplify it 2 4 times, 1 carry into 8, 2 2 2 4, 2 1 time, 2 2 time, 2 6 time, and 2 3. Now 3 is not divisible by 2, so we will write 3 1 times. 1 2 3 4 5 times 2 and 1 time 3. We will write instead of this value, its power is 5, that is 2, 1 pair, 2 pair, and 1 is alone, that is 3. X power, we can reduce these powers as well if these are more than 5, because its radical is 5, so if inside variables power are more than 5, so we can reduce these as well, just like to make it 5 equal to 5, 5 and 1 will be multiplied. So in this way y power is 7, so y power 5 and y power 2, because both bases are same. If we will add these both powers, we can get the same as it is. Okay, so z power 5, our requirement is to make 5, so the remaining one we will write separately. 5 is made, remaining one is 3. Okay, if because both bases are same, so we will add the powers, we can get the same. So let's move further. 2 power 1 2 0, 2 power 5, 3 1 time, x power 5, all 5 powers we will combine, y power 5 and z power 5. What is x power 1, y power 2 and z power 3. That 5, two methods are there. If directly we want to cut, we can cut these, and one more, x y z 3 1 2 and z power is 3. Okay, if you want to remove the sign with this power 5 multiplied by x power 5, y power 5, z power 5. We have removed this sign with the power, that will be 1 by 5. As we have done in first part, that was there was no any power, so 1 by 2 is equal to this sign. So all existing powers will be multiplied with the whole power. 2 power 5 multiplied by 1 by 5, x power 5 multiplied with the 1 by 5, y power 5 multiplied with the 1 by 5, Z power 5 multiplied with 1 by 5, 3 power 1 by 5, x power 1 by 5, 2 multiplied by 1 by 5, z power 3 multiplied by 1 by 5. These are cut to each other, cut to each other, cut to each other, cut. Multiplicative inverses all are cut to each other. So what is left here? 2 simple, x simple, y and z. So this one is 3 power 1 by 5, x power 1 by 5, y power 2 by 5, z power 3 by 5. So these all will be separate because we have simplified them. All powers are removed. 2xyz into these we can, if we want to change these all in again power form, 3x y power 2 and z power 3 whole power 1 by 2, 1 by 5, sorry. So if we want to change this power, this power in the same sign with 5 radical, it will be 3x y square and z3. 2xyz radical 5 3xy square z3. It's our final answer because we can't do anything on this term as we have simplified these few values. It's our final answer of part 4, question number 1. Students, question number 1, part 2 and 3 you will do by yourself. These are also to simplify this arts method. You are well familiar. You can do those two parts by yourself and solve on register the whole first question. I'll check